I'm a, it's a bad man thing. See.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Wigs to Waist Length. If you are new here, welcome. Make sure you hit that sub button and of course ring the bell so you get all post notifications. Don't forget to follow your girl on all my social media, and all those links will be in the description box down below. So this is going to be a little bit different from the norm. Instead of a wig review, I'm actually going to be talking about these fabulous edge tamers here. So if you are looking for something to slip down them baby hairs, then go ahead and keep watching. Alright guys, so here we are with the first touchdown edge tamers, and they come in 3 different strengths. The first one is the maximum touch, the orange one is the ultimate touch, and then this yellow one is the super touch. So I've had these for about maybe 3 weeks and they are bomb. I was a little skeptical when I first started to use it. I didn't really expect it to have the hold that it does, but I am actually really impressed with this edge tamer. My only kind of caution is you definitely do not want to overdo it. A little will go a long way with this stuff. So here I'm just showing you a before and after of what it looks like on my head. So overall, I am very impressed with this product. As far as 4C hair, I did try this on my daughter. It did give me minimal hold, but it wasn't anything that lasted all day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Let me know what you think down below if you've tried this edge tamer, or if you have an edge tamer that you like. Definitely leave it in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and of course, whatever you do, whatever you slay, make sure you do it with confidence. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one.